This demonstration is called the Gummy Bear demonstration. What we're going to do is combust this gummy bear. Now that doesn't sound very dramatic, because what we could do is we could light this on fire with a match, and we could witness the gummy bear combusting with oxygen from the atmosphere. And it would just burn, but like I mentioned, it wouldn't be very dramatic. So what we're going to do is we're going to combust this gummy bear in the presence of a rich and abundant oxygen source. And we're going to obtain that oxygen source through a decomposition reaction. We're going to decompose potassium chlorate. So what I've done is I've taken some potassium chlorate and I've put it into this test tube. We're going to heat this test tube up. We'll initiate the decomposition of the potassium chlorate. That will generate an abundant supply of oxygen gas. And then when we drop the gummy bear in, we have all that's necessary for a dramatic combustion reaction. We have sugar, which is the gummy bear. That's what will be combusted, combining with oxygen that we generate from the test tube. It will be hot, we'll have something to burn, and we'll have the oxygen source. So here's the reactions that will guide us. This is the potassium chlorate. That's what is in the test tube. It's a white solid. When you heat it up, it's going to decompose to make oxygen gas and a salt. This oxygen gas is now the oxygen gas that we'll use in this reaction when we combust the gummy bear. So this is sugar. This represents the gummy bear. This is the oxygen, but again, it's not oxygen from the air. It's oxygen from the decomposition of potassium chlorate. And then that will produce the usual products of combustion, which will be carbon dioxide gas and water vapor. So if you follow me to the fume hood, we'll perform the demonstration over there. So once again, we have the gummy bear that will be combusting using oxygen that's generated from the decomposition of potassium chlorate. So let's heat the potassium chlorate. It will begin to decompose and evolve oxygen gas. And when we drop the gummy bear in, you'll see dramatic evolution of heat and light. What's left over will simply be the salt, the potassium chloride.